Hi friends, how are you? By blessings of God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator, PG Department of Commerce, Fakirmon University, Vyasavihar, Balasur, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA classes. So friends, आज हम discussion करेंगे the very interesting topic, and today's topic discussion is what is the basic difference between the trial balance and the balance sheet. Friends, you will get more point of difference during the discussion. So आज का discussion बहुत useful and fruitful होगा, particularly in the semester examination. Friends, you will get that is the short type of question as well as the long type of questions. And friends, also when you are going for the interview board for the lectureship, so it's the common question. So you will get from the interview board or selection board what is the basic difference between that is the trial balance and the balance sheet. And friends, so during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, I am requesting to all of you from beginning to till end, kindly you watch it or kindly you stay with me. Definitely you will know more and more. So friends, without delay आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए, क्या बात है फ्रेंड्स. So first one point of difference is that is the meaning, what is the meaning of trial balance as well as what is the meaning of balance sheet. So trial balance is a statement. Trial balance is prepared with the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. Friends, so this definition has been given by J.R. Bartley Boy. And what is the meaning of or the definitions of a balance sheet? The balance sheet is a financial statement which contains details of assets and liabilities. So assets and liabilities of a firm or company at a specific point in time. Friends, in a semester examination you will get that is the question, what is the meaning of trial balance as well as what is the meaning of balance sheet in a 1 mark or in a 2 mark question. So second one point of difference is that is the objective. The main objective of the trial balance is to check the arithmetical accuracy the books of account. So friends, we have already discussed during the discussion the meaning of a trial balance. So main objectives of the balance sheet is to know the financial position of a business firm or a company. So third one point of difference is that is the period. The trial balance may be prepared at a regular intervals. It may be monthly, it may be quarterly, or it may be half yearly, or it may be the yearly. Whereas but the balance sheet is prepared at the end of the year, that is as on specific date. Friends, you have to remember. Next one, the sides or columns. So right now that the sides are not taken into consideration. So also there are kindly you go through the book. So there are the 3 methods for the preparation of the trial balance, but here the trial balance has 2 sides, that is the debit and credit, whereas the balance sheet has 2 sides, it's the asset and a liability sides. Then types of accounts, the types of accounts, which types of accounts are taken in a trial balance as well as which types of accounts are taken to prepare the balance sheet. The trial balance is a list of balances of a personal account, real account and nominal account, whereas only the balances of personal and the real accounts are shown in where the balance sheet. Third one, that is the closing stocks. So the closing stock is not shown in the trial balance if it is adjusted with purchases, and or however it may be shown in where trial balance, but the closing stock is shown in the asset side of the balance sheet. Friends, you have to remember. So next one is a compulsion, or that is the mandatory. So preparation of a trial balance is not compulsory as per the Companies Act 2013. So that is the legal requirement, whereas but the preparation of a balance sheet is compulsory as per the Companies Act 2013. Friends, you have to remember. So next one हम देखेंगे, that is the point of difference is that is the financial statement. So trial balance is not a financial statement but it's a statement, whereas the balance sheet is a financial statement. Friends, दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, the trial balance is not a financial statement whereas the balance sheet is a financial statement. So next, what are the uses of a trial balance and what are the uses of a balance sheet? The trial balance is used internally within the business and the company uses, whereas the balance sheet is used for external purposes. So what are the results or information or the data of trial balance which is used internally within the business of the company, where the balance sheet, the data or information, I mean that is the profit and loss and the about that is the financial position will be used for the external purposes. So next one point of difference is what? That is the signature of a auditor. So the trial balance does not require or need the signature of an auditor of the business or the company, whereas but the balance sheet requires the signature of an auditor of the company or the business. So signature is must in the case of or the auditor must put the signature in where, that is the in a balance sheet, that is the statement, whereas that is it's not the requirement or an auditor does not put or does not put the signature where in the trial balance. So next one हम देखेंगे the sources of data. So from where you will get the data to prepare the trial balance. So data are collected from general ledger to prepare the trial balance, whereas the data are collected from trial balance to prepare the balance sheet. So showing the loss or profit or loss of the business. So trial balance does not show the profit or loss for a period to a business firm or to a company, whereas or but balance sheet shows the profit or loss figures by preparing what is this, that is the profit and loss account for any given period, and accordingly that is the capital will be adjusted. Last but not the least, the point of difference is what? That is the analysis and interpretation of the data or information of trial balance as well as the balance sheet. The trial balance is not much helpful for analysis and interpretation of a firm or a company, whereas the balance sheet is of a great use to analyze and interpret the financial position of a firm or a company. So friends, so these are all about today's discussion, the 13 point of difference. So friends, I am hopeful that so you have learned a lot. So if you have visited first time to my channel, kindly you subscribe it, and I am also requesting to all of you, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it. I am waiting your valuable comment and suggestion. मत भूल जाना. So आपका that the बहुमूल्य the comment and suggestions. So I need. So kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion. So again I am requesting during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion. So before ending our discussion, so I am wishing all the very best, not only for the semester examination but also the other examinations. So friends, so thanks a lot to all of you.